Hi, Sarah. I'm Josh. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Josh. Nice to meet you too.
This cafe is nice. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it. I drink coffee every day. Do you?
Me too. I need coffee to start my day.
I understand. So, where are you from, Josh?
I am from California, but I live here now in New York. And you?
I am from New York. I live near Central Park.
Oh, Central Park is beautiful. Do you like to walk there?
Yes, I do. I go on Sundays. I like to read a book in the park.
That's nice. What do you do for work?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
That is great. I work in a design company. I design websites.
Interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much. And you, do you like teaching?
I love teaching. It is a fun job.
That's wonderful. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and cook. I cook Italian food often.
Oh, I love Italian food. Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Maybe. And what about you? What are your hobbies?
I like to play guitar, and I like to watch football on TV.
Football? Okay. Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, the Giants. They are a New York team.
Nice. I don't watch football much.
That's okay. It's not important. This is fun, Sarah.
I think so too, Josh.
We should do this again. How about dinner next week?
I would like that. Here is my number.
Great. I would text you. Thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome. See you later.
Bye, Sarah. Have a good day.